Well, if you follow anybody on our Peter on YouTube, this is his second airplane that he's built, electric. I'm sure he isn't here since he's a young guy and he would probably be partying all night and all that, so I don't think he would be up yet. Probably monocoat on these ailerons. Oh wait, this isn't the second one, this is his first one. I know this second one's got more like Cessna gear on it. I thought that was the one he was bringing, but apparently not. And of course, Peter's a modeler. So, as you say, a giant scale model. And if you watch YouTube, you can watch him build this and his other one. So, there you go for Friday at Oshkosh.